Hi, my name is Phelan Brandy. I'm born and raised in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm 28 years old. I've been playing drums since I was 2 years old. The bands I play for is As One Gospel Singers. I play at my local church, Triumph Church, King God Christ, and I have my own band, one sound. The sticks that I play from Collision is the 7/8 Rs. I love these drumsticks. They're dope. I think they're very durable, and I just love the way how they handle when I play. Three things I love about Collision brand: customer service, A1. I love the way how they communicate with you. Um, another thing is they supportive, and the third thing is they always make sure that you have what you need. What I'm going to be playing is Bonus Level by Shed Tracks. Hope you enjoy it.